Now finally we're done. Finally. Okay, let's finish the gadgets. This is the last one.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so it's finished. The gadget is there. Finished. All of them. Finished also, finished. See, finished. So all of them. Now this is our second day. Okay. So finally we're done. Okay, all of them onto there. There we go. That's it. So we're going back here for the jean seats. Okay, there we want to install also the jean seats there. And that will be for the next projects for the next week, because we're still have to come back over here. So today all the installations, 16 trucks and 3 SUVs for Navara SUV and Innova. And that's it for today. Have a nice, great Sunday ahead, everyone. Thank you.